What's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a smoking alien fountain called Bermuda Triangle. Check out this artwork. We got ships, spaceships, a lot of purple, rocket ships, planets. Check that out. Looks pretty awesome. All right, let's get into the description. It says, you never know what awaits at the Bermuda Triangle. This fountain is over 3 minutes with a variety of effects, including crackles and gold, silver lace mixed with neon pearls. Colors you'll see are silver, red, green, yellow, blue, and I believe that's purple. The angle is straight up. Got some pictures up here. Not sure if those are stock images or from this cake, but it says 200 seconds, 7 feet, and the sound is, I would say, low, medium. But yeah, check this out. Awesome fountain. It says 3 minutes long. We got this over there at Intergalactic Fireworks in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. And if you want this cake, look in the description for all the information. Even down here, it says there's 8 per case. So if you're looking to buy wholesale, you can get these in 8s. It's a triangle shape. Check out, you got like an Illuminati eye up there. Yeah. All right. Stay tuned for the demo. See you guys. Still got a whole nother minute. Wow. It's a nice purple.